Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can track stickers to your face on the CapCut PC app. So to do that, I'm just going to actually make the video a little bit shorter so that it will just take less time for it to load the stickers. Then select the sticker that you want for to cover your face, or if you want it to follow your face, you can do that as well. Let's see, which one do I want? Maybe this one. Adjust it till the end of the video and adjust the size to the person, I guess. Then you are going to select tracking here, select motion track, and place the square on the person, and I'm going to turn off scale and distance, and I'm going to select start, and then hopefully we'll track it for you. Okay, I don't know why it's going down here instead of up here. I think it got caught up in the body there. I'm just going to adjust it again. It's a little bit tricky if, for instance, there's a lot of movements. So I'm just going to try this again. But it should work if you don't have a lot of movements. This one had a lot of hand movements, and that's why it kind of followed his hand a little bit. But if you don't have it, I swear it's not going to look like that. So if you have less movement, it will just follow your face and stuff like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.